how to customize and use Gboard write in text fields on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, scroll down, then we tap on general management. From here, tap on Gboard settings. Then tap on write in text fields. So here we'll use the S Pen on my phone, known as the stylus. So we can try it out. So you can write in this text field right here. So we're going to choose write. Okay, so that's how you can use the tool here to write it, the stylus. You can delete, so we can delete it, swap it off like this to delete it. You can also select. Okay, so we can select the text right here. And then after that, you can choose to cut, copy, paste, or whatever you want to do. Now, if we go down, you can change the handwriting speed from mid to fast, normal. You can change the stroke of the pen. So here, we can make it thicker. So it'll be a lot thicker here. So you can see the pen stroke is a lot thicker, so we can customize it. So here you can make it normal or thinner. Show on-screen keyboard, so you can choose to show the on-screen keyboard or not. So I will tap on try it. We'll just wait for that to finish so that we can do the demo. Here we tap on this menu. Okay, so I'm just going to delete the whole thing here. Okay, well, every time we want to try out, this takes a while. Hey. Okay, so we can go back here. So that's show on-screen keyboard. Here, if you turn this off, you can use the emojis on toolbar. So show a button on the keyboard toolbar to open emoji keyboard. And the other option is to commit handwriting text immediately. So commit the words immediately as you write, or you can do it all in one go. So here we can try it out. You can see it does commit on one go. Wait until you finish the whole sentence before it will show in the text box. And that's it. So that is how you can customize the feature write in text fields with your stylus or the S Pen for Gboard. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.